The stock market had a bit of a roller coaster ride this week. It started off down after investors lost hope for a Federal Reserve rate cut. However, things turned around later in the week with growth stocks even outperforming value stocks. Overall, it seems like a positive week for the markets with some key earnings reports helping to boost investor confidence. Okay, so let's take a look at the earnings report for this week. We are looking at the Home Depot on Tuesday, Cisco on Wednesday, and finally Walmart on Thursday. Now let's see the major economics calendar for this week. There are major activities from the Fed, core PPI, and Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks on Tuesday. Core CPI and US retail sales on Wednesday, initial jobless claims on Tuesday. Alright, first up on our watch list is Meta. We are not currently considering the downside potential as it may continue to trend higher. We'll be watching for a break above the 477.5 level considering 480 calls. Potential targets for upside moves are set at 480, 485 and 490 in the coming weeks. Next, let's discuss Nvidia. Nvidia is on our watch list with 917.5 as the resistance level. If it breaks with momentum, we'll be watching 920 calls with potential targets set at 920, 925 and then 930. However, it could weaken, so for potential downside plays, we are watching for a break below the 880 support level. Considering 880 puts with targets set at 875 and 870. Third on our radar is Netflix. For Netflix, we are eyeing the 624 level as the resistance zone. Given its current strength, we are not considering downside plays. Instead, we are looking at 630 calls with targets set at 630, 635 and finally 640. Moving on to Tesla. Tesla is showing weakness. We are not currently considering upside plays. The support zone is at 167.7 and we'll be watching for a break below this level. Considering 165 puts or even 160 puts with potential targets set at 162, 162.5 and then 160 in the following week. Finally, let's talk about Apple. For Apple, we are watching for a break above 187, which is the resistance zone. Considering 190 calls or even 200 calls with potential targets set at 188, 189 and then 190. For potential downside plays, we are looking at a break below 180.4, which is the support zone. However, we need to be cautious as it could bounce from this level. Considering 180 puts with potential targets set at 177.5 and 175 and then finally 173. And that wraps up our watch list for the week. Remember to do your research, stay informed and trade responsibly. Thanks for joining us and be sure to check out our community link for more updates. Happy trading everyone.